So by now you can see him in my own zone, man. Lively chilling in this bitch. Lively chilling. Fuck.
Riding high.
Who you, white bitch? Hey, white bitch, I got your camera.
Oh, you terrible, bro.
I got your camera, white bitch.
That boy crazy,
hey,
man.
Hey, it's a white girl, for real. Message box full of dog. White girl with the text said, I got your camera. Look at that. Hey, look, you can see the reflection. What a YouTube sticker. You see the YouTube sticker? See it? See the blue camera? Fuck your brother too, bitch. Fuck him. Fuck you talking about. Hey, talking about something with a camera. Do something. I got the camera.
I get it, dog. Don't talk about family, dog. It's real over here.
Bust your head, bitch. Bitch.
That's how it gets down, dog.
Bitch. Bitch. Bitch, I got your camera.
You slow as a
Hey.
We chilling over here.
Lively. Fuck.
And dude about to get his head blowed off.
Fuck you talking about? I still got my camera, nigga.
That pants is about this bitch for me.
Hey. Fuck the little fade niggas that's watching me at the school. I have to change. I'm about to dick her down. She paid for the dick with the camera. I'm lively pimping. She paid to fuck me and to suck my dick and watch next. I get her MP3, this stupid bitch. I'ma get her MP3 too, man.
That's how we do it. That's how we do it right here, bro.
Look at my eye. Look at my eye. Look at it. I'm high.
You're retarded, bro.
It's a picture. Hey, you focusing on my eye right now. Cause
you can say
this me watching y'all niggas who watching me. Fuck you, stupid motherfucker. Huh? Huh? Stupid motherfucker. Huh? Huh? You stupid motherfucker. Huh? Stupid motherfucker. Hey, I blast pussy niggas who talk shit, they get done up. The motherfucker run up, I give him a sunner. That mean I put him in the sun, you hot bitch, you wonder. I do this shit all day through the winters and summers. And then it hit spring, then I shine all day. And watch the sun glisten on my ice, nigga, nah man. Pussy motherfucker. Pussy motherfucker. Pussy motherfucker. You talking too much shit. You got too much lip. I will fuck you up and you'll do up quick. And I cook your ass up like I cook up bricks. Watch over the stove that you fucking switch. Stupid motherfuckers. He wild, bro.